after some brief mild afternoons. Definitely is going to feel a little bit different out there. Temperatures were at 50 earlier today. Now we're sitting in the mid and upper 20s. And then the wind chills making it feel like teens to single digits depending on where you are across the state. Feels like 6 in Carroll right now, 8 is your wind chill in Ames, 7 in Perry. It's going to be a cold night ahead. We've got winds sustained currently anywhere between about 25 to 35 miles per hour. So we'll keep those strong winds blowing here at least through the early evening hours tonight, and eventually winds weaken overnight and into the day tomorrow. But our wind gusts have been higher than that, upwards of 40 to close to 50 miles per hour in some communities across the state, especially into northern and western Iowa. Here's Super Doppler 8. We have the clouds that rolled in earlier this afternoon. We've got a little bit of light snow still lingering into north central Iowa up near Iowa Falls. A few snow showers likely here coming towards Marshalltown in the next half hour or so. Otherwise, that's about it. The clouds stick with us here through the evening hours tonight. Again, breezy overnight, but it is going to be a cold one. Our temperatures drop into the teens by early tomorrow morning. So stark difference from this morning to tomorrow morning for the kids out at the bus stop on Friday if you're still in school. Temperatures are in the 20s for the majority of the early evening hours tonight. Wind gusts, again, upwards of 30 to 40 miles per hour here through the next couple of hours. They weaken slowly here overnight tonight. Still breezy through about 10 o'clock this evening. We head into the day on Friday. Those winds do weaken significantly through Friday afternoon, but the rest of tonight into early tomorrow morning, still pretty breezy out there, giving us wind chill values, making it feel like the single digits out there for a good portion of the overnight hours tonight into the day on Friday. The rest of tonight looks like this. The snow showers that we have across northeastern Iowa slowly come to an end here. We head into the day on Friday. We start off the clouds tomorrow morning. Probably a mainly cloudy day, maybe a few sun breaks, but overall overcast skies with us for your Friday. We're back to some sunshine on Saturday. A few clouds in the morning will give way to a partly cloudy sky, but a dry forecast for the weekend, and temperatures slowly come up here as we head into the weekend. Tomorrow, not a big difference in the temperatures, at least for us. It's going to stay feeling like the single digits through early tomorrow morning. Then we'll get into the teens as we head into the late afternoon. Again, this is wind chill. Actual air temperatures end up probably somewhere in the mid-20s tomorrow afternoon. Tonight, back into the teens, a few snow showers left up across northeast Iowa. Otherwise, tomorrow we keep highs only in the mid-20s. 8-day forecast has a still chilly Saturday with highs right around 30. We warm up into the 40s, though, as early as Sunday. And then it does get a lot warmer as we head closer towards the holiday on Wednesday. Temperatures quite a bit above average heading into next week. We'll keep temps there into the mid-40s all the way through next Friday.